Hi friends and welcome. In this lesson, we will explore some of the methods available to work with a dict data type. Without further delay, let's dive in. Using the get method on a dictionary is another way to access the value of a particular key. Let's declare a variable value equals user info, which is a dictionary.get. The key to be retrieved is put within open and close brackets. If the key exists in the dictionary, the value will be stored in a variable called value. If the key does not exist, it won't cause any error. Instead, it will return none by default. Let's print out the value. Execute the program. Great. We have been able to use the get method on a dictionary to retrieve the value of a particular key. If the key does not exist, let's say age 1, the get method is going to return none. Great. We are also allowed to provide a default value if the key cannot be found in the dictionary. Let's say NA, which means not available. Let's execute the program again. Great. We are able to provide a default value for a particular key if it cannot be found in the dictionary. The get method is helpful because it avoids potential errors if the key does not exist in the dictionary. It also allows us to set a default value. The clear method is used to remove all the items from a dictionary in Python. After using this method, the dictionary becomes empty, containing no key value pairs. Userinfo.clear print userinfo. Let's execute the program. Good. Initially, the userinfo dictionary has an item which is a key and a value, age 10. After using the clear method, all the items in the dictionary are cleared, which makes the dictionary to be an empty dictionary, as we can see on the terminal. If a key is in a dictionary, the pop method removes it and returns its value. Let's declare a variable called removed item equals userinfo, which is the dictionary dot pop age print removed item print userinfo. The item having age as the key will be removed from the dictionary, and the value of the key removed will be saved in a variable called removed item. Let's execute the program and see what we have. Great. The age has been removed from the original dictionary, and the value of the key removed is saved in a new dictionary, which is 10. The pop method can take a default value to be returned if the key cannot be found. Let's specify a key that cannot be found in the dictionary, such as age 1. In this case, if we try to execute this program, it is going to throw a key error because the key age 1 cannot be found in the original dictionary. One way to avoid this is by providing a default value. Let's provide a default value of 20. That means if we try to remove age 1, which the key cannot be found in the dictionary, it is going to return a default value of 20. Let's execute the program again and see what we have. Great. As you can see, the default value returned is 20. The age 1 cannot actually be found in the dictionary. If the default value is not given and the key is not in the dictionary, a key error will be raised. With this operation, Python will raise a key error because age 1 cannot be found as a key in the original dictionary. Let's execute the program. Great. Python raised a key error. The update method can be used to update the content of a dictionary. Let's say we want to add a new item to the original dictionary. We simply say userinfo.update. Then the dictionary we want to add to the original dictionary. Name, point, userinfo. Let's run the program. Great. We have been able to update the original dictionary. Another approach to achieve this is by specifying the name and the value. Let's try that out. We simply say userinfo.update. The key, which is name, equals With this approach, we are going to arrive at the same results. Let's execute the program. Great. In addition to the previous dictionary methods we have discussed, a dict data type also supports items, keys, and values. All these are methods that can be used to visualize the content of a dictionary. The dict.items method returns a view of the dictionary's items. Point userinfo.items. Let's execute the program. These are key value pairs of the items in the dictionary. We can also make use of the keys. Point userinfo.keys. Let's execute the program. This returns a view of the dictionary's keys. Point userinfo.values. Let's execute the program. Good. This returns a view of the values 10, 3, and 7. The dictionary copy method works similar to a list copy method. It provides a shallow copy of the original dictionary. Check out the list copy method to know more about shallow copy. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.